Snowy start to their fall.
An inch of snow
An inch
already.
of snow
Here we are
in late
September.
September. And they won't be out of that junk until like April, late April.
You call it junk, so
I
I'm
call it
taking it
junk.
you are not a snow fan.
I'm not a winter person. No, not at all. Don't want to go
All
to
right.
Anchorage.
Okay, well, I don't know if you're like our temperatures. It sounds like we're dropping coming in our 7-day this week there, Paul.
No snow in the forecast. That does not equate
Please.
cooler temperatures with any chance of snow. No, that is not going to happen. But we are going to get into a cool and showery weather pattern. We're in that pattern now. It's really going to kind of just sink into the mid-state. And the reason is because of what's happening in the tropics. So let's zoom off to the southeast and take a look at the tropical satellite picture. And this system, this is Tropical Storm Joaquin. This is really going to be the monkey wrench in our forecast for the next several days, partly depending on where it goes, but a lot of it's set just because the storm exists. It's going to be kind of the blocking feature that keeps things locked in place with the clouds and the shower chances. 70-mile-an-hour sustained winds, but it is expected to strengthen to a Category 2 hurricane before it weakens a little bit as it approaches the eastern coast of the U.S. The red line here is the National Hurricane Center's official forecast path. Notice all the computer models, or most of the computer models, bend it to the west of that line. We'll see if the National Hurricane Center bends it that direction as well. They have it moving up towards Washington, D.C., which would be a really bad scenario, even as a Category 1 hurricane. Still a lot of coastal erosion, some flooding. But the European forecast model, which tends to be one of the more accurate ones, keeps it farther out in the Atlantic Ocean. That would help to reduce our shower chances a little bit, but either way, this unsettled weather pattern looks like it's going to linger for the next several days. We do have rain out there this morning, mostly diving down through Sumner County over into Allen County, Kentucky. Some heavy rain just to the west of downtown Scottsville there. This is moving to the south-southeast, so Sumner County, Wilson County points eastward of that. You're going to see the best rain chances, but so far in Metro Nashville, we're staying dry. Plenty of cloud cover, some patchy fog as yesterday's rain evaporates into the lowest levels of the atmosphere. Still mild temperatures as well. 69 degrees in Nashville, 70 Columbia, at worst at 64 degrees in Murray, Kentucky. But that 64, that's warmer than our high temperature will be both Friday and Saturday. That's the kind of air we're talking about moving down towards us. That rain this morning is going to move off to the east. Still some spotty showers from midday through the afternoon, but they are going to be fewer and farther between. Generally just more clouds than sunshine. A few peaks here and there to warm us up into the low 70s for highs today. This is the warmest weather we'll see until Monday. The shower chances in eastern middle Tennessee will continue off and on overnight, but it's not going to be a washout overnight. So we head into tomorrow, still plenty of cloud cover, tantalizingly close for that clearing line just in West Tennessee, but it's just not going to make any eastward progress. The shower chances are going to back up into eastern middle Tennessee tomorrow. You see on the 7-day forecast, 40% east. It's mainly going to be along the Cumberland Plateau for the best chance of scattered showers tomorrow, but it's going to back up even more for Friday and Saturday across the rest of the mid-state. The way things look right now, there's still time for it to change. Temperatures today, there's not much of a curve to the temperature curve. 73 for a high this afternoon. For most of the day, we're just going to hover around 70 degrees. Upper 60s tomorrow with the clouds sticking around. Only low 60s for highs, both Friday and Saturday, with a decent chance of off and on showers across the area before we finally dry out Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Melanie?
All right.